Meaning of freelancer.
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 Freelancer. A freelancer is a self-employed individual who offers their services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being an employee of a company. They have the flexibility to choose their own clients, projects, and working hours. Freelancers can work in a variety of fields, such as writing, web development, graphic design, and consulting. They are responsible for managing their own finances, taxes, and business expenses. Freelancing offers individuals the opportunity to work independently, pursue their passions, and potentially earn a higher income than traditional employment.